Hello students, look at this beautiful house. We can view it from all the sides. To build this house, we have used cube and a plane. Now let us try to build a house. First, add a cube using Shift A. Mesh cube. Now, add plane using Shift A, mesh, plane. Now we want to make a roof out of this plane. For that, we want to change the object mode to edit mode. To change the mode, press tab key. Now we are in edit mode. To make a roof, divide this plane into two halves. For that, use Ctrl R. Now, the plane is divided into two halves. To make a roof, I want to lift the plane. For that, use G, Z and just lift the plane. Now, place the roof on the cube and the house is ready. Now let us try to build house and color it.
To convert this house into an image, click on render, select render image and your house will be converted into an image. Thank you.